Hi judges, Brenda Hogsett here. This is for video 6 of the open medical category of the skin games. In open medical treatments, results don't come from devices alone. They come from the performance ingredients you choose to pair with them. For this case study, I'm treating striae rubiae and striae albae, which means I'm working with skin that is both inflamed and structurally compromised. My ingredient selection is intentional and based on cellular communication, collagen signaling, and controlled regeneration. At the core of this protocol is ProCell Therapy's microchanneling, paired with their Serum 1 and Serum 2. These serums are designed to work with the controlled microinjury by supporting the skin's natural repair cascade. They help stimulate fibroblast activity, encourage collagen and elastin production, and accelerate healing without overstimulating already compromised tissue. That balance is critical when treating stretch marks. I also utilize 2B BioPeeling early in the protocol to condition the skin. This helps increase oxygenation, improve cellular metabolism, and prepare the tissue to respond more effectively to the regenerative treatments that follow. For tissue support beyond the skin itself, KPS Slim massage plays an important role. Stretch marks don't exist in isolation. They are influenced by circulation, lymphatic flow, and tissue congestion. Slim massage supports detoxification, improves smoothing, and enhances overall treatment outcomes. Post-treatment healing and structural support are reinforced with Ego Beauty's Sculpt Up Cream, Prime Peptides, and masks. These ingredients support barrier repair, hydration, and ongoing collagen signaling between in-office treatments. Every ingredient in this protocol has a purpose, whether it's stimulating, calming, repairing, or supporting the skin's long-term integrity. When performance ingredients are layered strategically and matched to the skin's condition and healing capacity, we don't just improve appearance, we rebuild the skin from the inside out. And that's how I achieve safe, measurable, and lasting results in the open medical category. I'm Brenda Hogsett. Thank you for joining me in the open medical category of the Skin Games.